on this, and then as I unhook it, pull it, get my weight over the back. If my weight is here, he's going that way. If my weight is here, I'm crushing him into the back. If my weight is here, I'm pulling him onto this base. I want here. Alright, so it's not just this, because that's not working. I need to be over the back so I can crush that down, move the back of the hip, pull it here, latch and attack. Just like we did last year. Just like most of it. So I changed my mind and I do that with this. But at the same time, these things want to move that bit, right? I don't want to get here and go. As I drive that, I turn that, and the only reason I'm turning that is to get my chest there. That's it. I'm not trying to cuddle them, I just want to go, oh, fuck, there it is. And then we're the same the other way. Right? I splice, my brain goes, oh, fuck it. Boom, push, cuddle in behind, same chest in the back here, so I can drive the face first if I want to be an asshole, or I can sit back and pop that out and roll in this way. But I'm not worried about the seatbelt, I'm not worried about the choke, I'm just worried about getting my chest on that shoulder. Shin turns the hips, hand turns the body, that's it. Make first if I want to, back this way if he wants to go back. Okay? But it's all about exposing that shoulder against the chest and the back of that shoulder blade as smooth as I can. Go, push yourself down. Okay, watch it for a sec. If it falls apart in one place, it's this. When I drive and connect, and then I get to here and I roll so that we're matched here, he's stronger, right? He puts his heel on my face and he explodes. So I've got to make sure that I end up across his hips, not in line with him. So I drive, I connect, and then I go across his hips so that I'm rolling him over there. Okay, so I'm working this plane, not matching his plane. Not even this, that'll give him the advantage. I want to cross his hips. So I have to put that knee and walk all the way around to there so that when I roll, I'm rolling off his ass, not rolling off his ribs. Off his ass this way to work across this plane. Go. So we're going to take us back from our knee slice, right? So we've got our knee slice, our underhook, drop out, and now we're going to shoot the hips that way and change the hand to rock. So I knee slice, and I pop my leg across that way. So my knee is changing his hips, right? So this is driving inside his thigh, fucking awful. It's right as nuts if you have to. But my hands have to change his shoulders. Lifting that, and I want to tuck it. So I shift, and I roll, and I want to get, here's the peak. Weight on the air crashes into the mat. I want to be here, right? And once I'm here, it means that I can lean forward and start to pressure him into the mat. That's my aim, is to put him on his face. Now, how I do that? Right hand is under and forearm. Left hand is under his head and forearm. And I'm going to just lean my body here and push him face first into the mat because I want to choke him. But when I get there, he goes, that's awful, and he resists me. So I go, okay, well, let's go this way and I'll choke you over here. Right? The rollover is his decision, not mine. I don't want to put effort into lifting him up and rolling him over. I want him face first in the mat, gurgling and snoring. End of. But he pushes so hard to resist against that because he knows it's awful. And if he's pushing, he's not defending. That's his two options. Defend and end up on his face, into the mat, getting choked anyway, or push off, not defend, we go to the other side, choke yourself nice and deep. But it is. Drive with that and use the magic ones to turn him, to snuggle him behind, to fold him and cuddle. Cuddle, cuddle, drive, drive, drive. He goes this way, I go, okay, cool. Okay, great, good start, let's go. So once I line down, so the easy bit, this is the easy bit, that's going to happen, right? That's going to happen. This is also going to happen because these things work, they're intelligent. So that's going to lead me to here. But see the distance between his shoulder and my chest, right? So my advantage is his. He can now put his back on the mat if he wants to. And I can try an arm bar, but I'm kind of stuck. So I have to snuggle. I'm spooning him. Yeah, weird. And then I'm folding this under and going there. Okay, so that's all a given. It's nice and cute. But when he drives me back, I don't then lift up and pull him. I'm still here. He's driving back. So you see where I went? I didn't go up over here. I went that way. I'm doing this to him. Over his ass. Quite different from trying to pick him up onto me to make that choke out. I'm not. Lazy jiu-jitsu. Lazy. I don't want to do any work. I'm just going to go. Lazy. If you're putting in effort, you're in the wrong school. There we go. So if I can say one thing. One thing I'm going to say, don't grab the elbow, push it across. Don't hold the far side, push it. Just be subtle about it, because I don't want to anchor to that. I just want to turn them. I just want to turn them to get them behind them. And if I'm holding them, it's hard for me to then get down behind and snuggle onto that shoulder. So what's happening is this. We do this and this, and then we're doing things like this, right? And then I have to, he knows exactly what's going on. He's already anchored himself. He knows where I have to then get in there. I'm not going to win that. If I just go, I get what I want. It's my body that snuggles in here. Not about my hands and what I'm doing. My hands are going, turn, so that I can get in behind me. And that's going to be the difference between a great back take and a big fight to the death. It's just get to the back. I just want to see that. As soon as I see that, I want to get my body on. And then the rest of this can happen because these things are clever enough, right? So as soon as that's happened, I'm not trying to hold him and enforce this. I just want to go, there. Oh, there it is. And so no matter what he does now, I'm on his back. I'm good to choke. Okay? Okay. Boom, knee hits the mat, or his forearm, or whatever. Left leg comes in and gathers this up. I'm not worried about grapevine, right? Because 95% of you, when you do that, it makes you go, I don't want that. I want ballet. Stop laughing. Boom, ballet. Ooh, there it is. Complete. Ooh, snuggles. Okay, now. Thank you. The things that make this work are, I don't want to end up in line with him. If I end up in line with him, it's a 50-50, right? And if he's got strong legs or I haven't quite got it right, then he's going to win it. I want to go across his hips. So when I turn around, it's not to roll here. If I roll here and we end up here, we are 50-50. Right? So what is that? I want to be here. So that if he pushes his heels to the mat and tries to fight my legs this way, that helps me what I want. So it's important that when I've done that, I go all the way around to here. My right hand grabs the roll. Okay, do here and landing. Perfect partner, thanks buddy. So, I arm drag, I lock, and I get to here. Over, grip. Right, and then what I'm doing is, he's going to start to pull me to guard, right? So if he's resisting here, then I see Bill grip and take his back. But as soon as I feel him start to turn and face me, so he's going to turn and face me and bring that leg in to reset, okay? So as soon as I feel that, got this, I'm here, I feel him turn, I look away and I jump and I roll and I grip. And then push. Same thing. Okay? Grab your partner. So one side turning, other side.